Like, totally this guy. I mean, I don't know.
I guess so. I mean,
you were making everyone crack up.
thank you. I'll take it.
I'll take it. Yes. I love
I'm okay
that.
with that.
No,
I'm
that's
okay.
awesome, man.
I'm okay.
Take it.
Thank
Take it and run with
Thank
it.
you.
Well, we should get you like an NFP or something, or NFT, whatever the hell they're called. What are they called? NFTs? Yeah.
NFTs, yes, get me. I would love to.
There you go, man. Your first NFT. Funniest guy on the retreat. There's no doubt about it, man.
Hi, my name is Sorin, Sorin Gabu, and I'm flying from Seattle, Washington.
My name is Josh Colindona, and I'm flying from Connecticut.
Gosh, first of all, I was excited to finally meet Austin and all the crew together here. I never knew any other people, so Austin said we're gonna get here together. So I was really finally pleased to meet with brothers that do the same thing as, I don't know, we all do, trading.
I agree. Like, I think that's the best part, was seeing these guys here and, like, made a lot of friends and relationships. So it was really fun. That was easily the most beneficial thing here. And, you know, obviously the trading was tremendous value too. But, yeah, it was fun meeting everybody, you know, meeting people you don't know and having a good time playing games and smoking cigars and things like that. It's a tough question, man. I don't know. I mean, like, to me, because, like, I follow Austin, you know, and I value what he says, but, like, then to get other traders in the room and their philosophy of the market, you know, is really invaluable, you know, and definitely something that I'm going to take away with me.
My favorite was the live trading we did, the sessions that we tried and split up as a team, and we applied exactly what we learned. And I think it's a good combination between, you know, something that you learned and then you're just applying it like in a school, like in real school class with the teacher, and debate the every idea and, you know, anything that could be discussed about the chart and the system.
Well, it was fun when we went into groups, you know,
Yes.
and like me and Mike Mike and I were looking at different charts, and you guys looked at charts,
Yes.
and we brought each other's markups. I thought that was pretty cool.
It's because it brings in us exactly what we are. So it was the real moment when you needed to show up and show that you understand, that we are on the same page.
Yeah.
And I think that was pretty cool. And everybody did really good. That was pretty impressive. We all learned from the same.
I was gonna say, some traders here really impressed me. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. Very smart.
Absolutely. That's a
easy question.
Yes, that's an easy question. It definitely we want to come back. This was a really, really great fun.
Well, you said every 3 months. That's what you said. You said every 3 months.
I would like to come every 3 months, but I don't know. Everybody has a schedule, and it's kind of hard. But I don't mind if we do this more and more, because I think being a trader, it's a kind of lone wolf situation. It's just kind of looking at the screen, and I don't know. There's not a lot of people you can talk about trading. And when you meet up with these people, you just kind of forget about trading, and all you're thinking about is like, this guy is like me. I'm, you know, what do you know, how are you, and things like that. How we become like normal, you know. It's not just about trading.
It's a lonely world out there.
Yeah.
You know, for traders.
It is, but some make a choice. I don't know. Some don't. Austin is one that it's not like that. That this is something that, you know, it's fun. That's why we are here. If we wouldn't be him, we would not be here.
Yeah. Absolutely. You know, it was incredibly fun. It was a vacation, you know, to be down here in Florida from up in Connecticut. But I would, you know, it was really was a fun weekend. I didn't know really what to expect coming into this weekend. I don't know. I kind of just felt like I'd have a good time, and then I came here, and it blew my expectations away. Absolutely. I left here having a great time, and I'll definitely be back. The whole weekend.
The whole weekend.
You're seriously gonna say that like that game-winning shot was not the best time? Like, dude, that was so legendary.
I know.
It almost felt like the weekend kept getting better though. Like Family Feud was awesome. You know,
Yes.
The food was fantastic. How about Rowan freaking just he went to a grocery store and just made a whole lunch of jerk chicken and Jamaican food, and it was like delicious. It was just like everything just came together.
Yeah, I really like how we interacted. I think this was my favorite part of this get together over the weekend was the way we interacted. I never expected to, I don't know, get along so well with everybody, but it's because we are all really humble, and we're not about emotions a lot. We're really cool people. Traders are really cool people. They're funny, they're cultured, I don't know, they have a good sense of judgment and, I don't know, kind of a right and wrong
Yeah, good point there, yeah.
Judgment. So everybody's really respectful, and I don't know, good jokes and good games, and it was great, acceptable. Everybody felt included. I don't think nobody ever had a doubt about it. I talked to everybody, and I don't know. It was just one of those great things that we're meant to leave, like with people around, interaction and jokes and joy and fun and games.
A lot of laughter, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of laughter. So
and happiness.
I think all the ingredients were there. I mean, we just put it together, all of us together. Sometimes it happens.
Well, that's the nice thing being with Austin and Riley. Like, they're so easygoing, you know, and they're not very rigid, so that helps. And, you know, huge shout out to Riley. Like, I think the question was, what was our favorite time of the... Like, her meditation classes and her yoga classes were unbelievable. I really, you know, because I like that stuff. I'm like, she blew me away. She's very good at that stuff, you know? And so it was up there. I mean, the whole week, like, to sit to sit here and say one part of the whole weekend and be like, that was the favorite, can't do it, but a lot of it was fun.
Now that I'm thinking about it, it's kind of like that. It was, all really three were good. I think we're in a path of making a great team over here. Maybe, I don't know. If it was definitely a good bond for all of us, I think.
And you cracked everybody up.
Well, I'm glad. I mean, if it wouldn't be you guys, I don't think it would have been, I don't know, the same, but I will take it. I'll take it. I'm not the smartest, awesome, but man. If I'm the funniest, that's fine. I take that place anytime.
No, but man, you're getting it too, though. I mean, that's no dig at all, bro. You were freaking getting it. You know what I mean?
You're talking about
trading, dude.
Corn?
Oh, yeah, you did pick up cornhole, too. No, okay. I'm talking about with the charts, bro.
I see.
Right? I mean, you were picking it up. You don't think so?
Right. Yeah, I did. It's just, I don't know. I'm a little bit different, so I need to take more of what you guys understand and do and apply more.
I mean, it takes time.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It really does.
But it did influence me. There's parts that they stick to me now, and I'm going to apply it. I really had a good time over here. This was really good for all of us, this interaction here. I never seen, like I said, so many people just kind of snap into, you know, a good vibe here. Just you put them in a house and everybody just
and you know what I just realized when you said that, like the minute I got here Thursday afternoon and like the whole weekend, like I don't think anyone here was like egotistical or like, you know,
right,
like everyone was so easygoing, which I think is hard to do, you know.
Right.
Even like if I get people together at home, someone's gonna freaking, you know.
And I think it's because we are all in the same vibe. And when you enter this business as a trader, you also enter a mental transformation and a journey into this business. It has to do a lot with your state of mind in this business. So I think all of us, we know some of that, you know, ego has to be, you know, left outside when you're going into, you know, into the trading room, getting into the business. So being more vulnerable and, you know, leave the emotions out of the trading and stuff, it's what traders, I think, most of our are. They're very humbled. You know, they're humble and tough in the same time, and I don't know, they're just more aware of of life in general and the moment, I would say. And I don't know.
That's it, man.
Yeah.
That's really it, man.
Yeah.
Really, what a great weekend, though. It was really, it was nice meeting you, man. It really was.
Yes, thank you. I'm glad I met everybody, and I don't know. I would like to keep coming.